Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make free money on the sites which I'm going to be showing you today. Now please, if you are watching this video, make sure you like this video, because when you like this video, it really helps us a lot. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, please like this video, subscribe, and also click on the notification bell so that whenever we upload the content, you are going to be notified on it. Now guys, the site I'm going to be showing you, or rather the exchange I'm going to be showing you guys today, is called trade.atlantis.com. Now it's just known as Atlantis. Atlantis. And now in this site, when you register, which I'll be dropping the link in the description below. Now when you register, you're going to be given $8,000 of Atlantis token, which is AAC. And now when you click on the link in the description below to register, all you have to do here is you input your username, your email, your password, confirm your password, make sure it's a personal account, and the referral ID will. Now after that, what you have to do is you enter the code in which you are seeing here. Make sure you input the code correctly. Now after inputting the code correctly in this space here, after that, then you click on here, you agree to the terms and conditions of this trading platform. Now after that is done, all you need to do is come here and click on sign up. Now when you click on sign up, you are going to be signed in, and a verification is going to be sent to your Gmail, in which you input as your email here. A verification link is going to be sent to you, which you are going to use to verify your email. And after that is done, you are going to log in. Now after verifying your email, you come back to the platform and log in. Now when you log in, you input your username or your email, then your password. Then after that, you come down here and input this code which you are seeing here, which I'm going to be doing right now. Now after inputting this code, you click on sign in, and you'll be logged in into your account automatically. And now if you are using my link to register, you are going to be given that bonus. Now as you can see here, this is mine. Now to see your bonus on this platform, this exchange, all you need to do is click on these three lines in the top right corner of your screen. When you click on it, then you click on dashboard. And when you click on dashboard, it's going to be taking you to your dashboard. And as you can see here, I've earned up to $75,000, guys. Now that is a whole lot of money. And if you're thinking this is a scam, this is not a scam. This is a platform. This is an exchange where you can trade. And as you can see here, these are coins in which have been listed on this. As you can see here, when I click on the arrow, you see more. These are coins that have been listed on this platform, and as you can see here, this is what I have earned so far. Now to withdraw this, all you need to do is to click on withdrawal, but that is after you've completed your KYC, which is know your customers. After you've completed it, then after this is done, when your registration is complete, you'll be seeing your balance right here. Now if you are using my link to register, you'll be given $8,000. And guys, you need to do this quick, because very soon they are going to be ending you're going to be ending this airdrop. So you have to, if you're watching this video, make sure you take actions immediately. Now after that is done, you click on these 3 lines here and go to the market. Then you click on market. As you can see here, these are coins which have been listed and which I already have. Now this is AC, which is American coin. This is ADA. Now ADA, which is Cardano. ADA is Cardano. I already have $3 worth of ADA. Also Alice USDT, I also have $39. As you can see here, these are so many coins which have been gifted to me. As you can see, Baby Doge also, and the rest of them that you can see here. So, and guys, when you've logged in order to refer, because you need to refer your friends also to earn more commission, you click on referral. Then this is your referral link over here. Then you copy your referral link and your referral ID, but your referral ID is also in your referral link, which means when they click on your link, the referral ID is going to be appearing there automatically. So guys, this is how to earn on this trading platform, and trust me, when this platform is fully launched, you are going to be enjoying a whole lot of money on this exchange. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you like this video, subscribe, click on the notification button so that whenever we upload a new content like this on how to make money, you'll be updated. Thank you.